Hi everyone, myself Priyanka, Assistant Professor, Department of Computer Science, Christ College Autonomous Iranyalakuda. We are moving with our lectures on the topic of push-down automata under theory of computation. We have already discussed one example of the push-down automata, that was a raised to n, b raised to n. So next we are moving with the next example, that is 0 raised to n, 1 raised to 2n. So the difference is that in the earlier video we have used as alphabet what A and B, but here we are using 0 and 1. Another difference, can you say? In the earlier video we was checking n and n, that is first symbol is repeated n times and second symbol is repeated n times. But here we are using the next concept, that is 0 is repeated n times, 1 must be repeated what 2n times. Look at here, if 0 is repeated 2 times, 1 must be repeated what 4 times. So how its logic comes? First we can say roughly there are two or more alterations for this logic. So I am giving you more simple way to grasp it. So look at here, 0 is repeated 2 times and 1 is repeated 4 times. Okay, so for that, look at here, 0 is only 2 but 1 is repeated 4 times. So how we can do? So more simple logic is insert zeros as such. Okay, so there are two zeros, I am inserting two zeros. Okay, the most simple logic is insert the zero as it. But look at here, for a single zero we must match what, two ones. That's the logic here, because we can't match otherwise, because zero is, for one zero you must have two ones. That is the logic it's saying. So that's the logic you want to get from that question. So if zero is inserted into the stack one time, that zero must be matched with two ones. How it can occur? So for that, look at here, if I see 1 1, I make 0 as x. Okay, so I draw neatly here because it will be a confusing for you. So if I see 1 1, I will make it as what, x. Okay, so for first one, because here for this 0 two ones must be matched, so for this 0, when I see first one I will make it as x, when I see next one I will make it as null. Okay, so I will make it as null. Okay, that's the concept, a more simple concept here. Other concept is you can insert 0 n times and match for the ones. That is a more broader concept, but it is more complicated and it's not logic, because 0 is said that it is repeated only n times and you are inserting it to n times. That's video is in that is also possible. That type videos will be available in the net also, but I will say be loyal to the question, because question says that 0 is n times and 1 is 2n times. So do the procedure as such, 0 is inserted n times and check for 2n's. For 2n's means two ones must be matched with a single 0. Okay, so we can see how the PDA is being designed for that. Okay, so first thing, what is it, is a loop, and for the in this loop what we insert, 0 must be inserted. So in the same earlier video, when you see 0 and in the stack top z0 we insert what, 0 z0, and in the later 0 When the stack stop is 0, that's become what? 0 0. Likewise, we have inserted in the earlier video z0 first, then 0. So 0 z0. Next we have no z0 in the stack top, it will be 0. So next 0, then we see 0, it will be 0 0. Okay. So the next transition is important, because what will be the transition next? Because here we are inserted two zeros according to this question. So when I see first one here, I will make, if the stack stop is 0, I will make it as what? X. Okay. So I will make this 0 as what? I will make it as X. Okay. So in the next, I am looping the same thing. If I see 1, if I see again 1, the stack top is X, I will make it as what? Null. So X is made as null. Okay. So I will repeat this until my ones are being completed. So I will again repeat. If I see 1 in the stack top 0, I will make it as X. So here 1, I will make it as what? Here this 0 is made by X, and again see 1 comes, I will make it as what? Null. So this will be removed. This will be removed from here. Okay. So now the stack stop becomes what? Z0. So that's the correct thing. If correct pattern is being inserted, you will get what? Z0 as the top, and the next will be what? Null. So I am here drawing the empty stack PDA. So you can, accepting state PDAs can be drawn, but here I am delivering or giving you the example of empty stack PDA. So what is empty stack PDA? If comes null, that is if the correct expression matched, it becomes, the tape becomes what? Null. There will be no elements or no symbols to be processed, will be null. And if in the stack stops it is set 0, then you make it null. Okay, this PDA, then this PDA will be accepted. Very simple question. It's the logic you must understand, that is if 0 is n times repeated, 1 will be 2n times repeated. So for this, when we design a PDA, we will insert 0 as it is, but for single 0, we must match with two ones. So when we see the first one, we make it 0 as X. Any marker you can use, X, Y, anything. And then when we see the next one, we will make it as what? Null. Okay, that's about the this as what? 0 raised to n, 1 raised to 2n. So understand it. List the difference between the previous examples and also this example. List the comparison, similarities and dissimilarities. Then you will get a clear idea about how we are drawing a PDA, which is different from the odometers which we have discussed earlier. So we can I will give you more and more sight into this push down odometer with our examples. So this much for this video. We can see in the next video with a new example. Okay, thank you.